Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 2241110 from Management Class 22B. Here I will explain about understand the function of human resource management as a strategic partner organization. Resource planning meant. Human resource planning or hire planning is the process in which member of the human resource department identify current and future recruiting or training needs. The goal of human resource planning is to ensure that a business has the right kind of the talent spread across its department. Human resource planning is important because it allows hire professionals within a company determine current and future workforce needs to match the company's size and talent recruitment. Human resource planning process. Broadly speaking, the human resource planning process is divided into four steps, which include when current labor supply. The first step in starting human resource planning is assessing the availability of human resource in the company. This assessment includes a comprehensive study of various aspects of human resource such as number, skill, competition, qualification, experience, age, position, performance, compensation, and so on. At this stage, HR can also conduct interview with the team manager to understand the challenges in terms of human resources that are being faced, as well as the qualification that are considered important for the team employees to have to human resource need in the future. The next step in human resource planning is analyzing future workforce needs. In this step, various higher variables such as reduction in human resource vacancies to be opened, position, promotion, employee transfer, and so on need to be taken consideration. Three human resource demand estimates then here can match the current workforce with the estimated workforce needs in the future and create a demand forecast. For strategy and implementation of human resource search after knowing the deficiencies needed from evaluating the supply and demand of human resource, you can develop a strategy based on estimates of commodities demand that have been met. The strategy create must of course be able to provide a solution to the lack of human resource problem in the company by relocating, recruiting, outsourcing, training, human resource management, and making policy cases that relate to human resource. 5. Establish an action plan after the hire planning strategy in formulate. The next step is to determine in specific action plan to implement the strategy. 6. Implementation and supervision. After the action plan is determined, the next step is to implement the plan. It involves implementing human resource planning activities such as recruiting, training, and development. 7. Evaluation and adjustment. The final step in the human resource planning is evaluation and adjustment. Evaluation is carried out to measure the success of human resource planning and identify areas that need improvement. The result of this evaluation can then be used to improve the human resource planning process in the future. Stakes of human resource planning, analyzing organizational goals, carry out an inventory of exciting human resource, forecasting human resource demand and forecast, estimating human capital gaps, formulate a human resource action plan, monitoring, controlling, and feedback. Factor of consider in human resource planning when growth. Paying attention to financial growth factor and company needs is an important factor in human resource planning. To change, the next factor is change because change can happen at any time, so hire must be able to think creatively and flexibly so that the company needs are still met properly. 3. Technology and HR must be able to understand the importance and technology for the smooth operation of the company. Okay, that's all the explanation from me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.